base 4 times 23 base 4. Whenever you are given bases that are not in base 10 and you are made to carry out any basic operation on them, you simply convert them to base 10 first. So I'm going to convert these base 4 numbers to base 10. To do that, let's start from the first number. I'll order from the unit digit. Let this be 0, let this be 1, let this be 2. I'll go over to the second number. I'll order again. Let this be 0, let this be 1. Starting from the first number, then start from the last digit here, which is 2. This will give me 2 times. Remember, the number is in base 4. Base 4. What we have on top of the 2 is 2. Plus, I'm done with 2. You go to 1. 1 times base 4. What do you have on top of 1 is 1. You write it here. Plus, we go to 3. 3 times base 4. What do you have on top of 3 is 0. You write it here. I'm done with the first number. So this represents the first number. Let's move over to 23 base 4 times the second number. We have 2. 2 times, you are working on base 4. What do you have on top of 2 is 1. You write it here. Plus 3 times 4 raised to power 0. Because what we have on top of 3 is 0. Back to the first number. This is same thing as 2 times 4 raised to power 2 means 4 times 4 plus 1 times 4 plus 3 times. This 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. In mathematics, anything raised to the power of 0 is always 1. Times 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power 1. Again, this 4 raised to the power 0 will give me 1. Okay, let's multiply through. This 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 will give me 32. Plus 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. This represents the first number. Times 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 3 times 1, 3. So 32 plus 4, 36. 36 plus 3 will give me 39 times 8 plus 3, 11. So 39 times 11 will give me 429. Now my answer is now in base 10. Alright, if you look at the options here, they are all in base 4. Since my answer is in base 10, this is not my final answer. Since what I've done so far and I've gotten this in base 10, I must now reconvert what the product of these two numbers back to base 4. To do that, I'll divide 429 by 4. Alright, 429 divided by 4 will give me 107, remainder 1. 107 divided by 4 will give me 26, remainder 3. 26 divided by 4 will give me 6, remainder 2. 6 divided by 4 will give me 1, remainder 2. Then 1 divided by 4 is 0, remainder 1. You bring out the 1. From down, you count upwards. It will give us 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. I've changed back to base 4 now. And this is a final answer. Now, if you look up the options, the right option is